Hey, what's up, y'all? Zevin, welcome back to the channel. All I'm gonna do here is just gonna show a workout I'm gonna do. Is pretty much just going to be with kettlebells, 5 reps per minute for 10 minutes to get a total of 50 reps in. You can follow along, just watch me. I just feel like just better just try to show you guys my routine, my working outs that I'm trying to do to get in shape and better health. So I already warmed up, so I'm a little bit out of breath. I got my little timer here, so we're about to get started. Let's do this. So, first one's done. I have it's a little clock I have here that is showing it, so. Alright. I was like, I don't know, let me try moving the camera just a little bit. Hey. Might be a little bit more better. Let me move this out. There we go. I'm black, so it'll be hard to see me this morning. Alright, I'm about to get ready to start. Round 2. Also want to do it showing just also form wise as well. It's also I want to see if I better over time. I'm sure my form will get better. Just see my overall results. Team, no shirt today. So y'all can see the starting point of my kettlebell training here. Alright, 8 more rounds. If you're following along, I hope you're doing well. I'll show on the next set. I'm working with 10-pounder kettlebell. This is what I have also as well. All right. Okay. Oh, I put it down. Damn it. Okay, so it's a 10-pounder. That's what I have right here. Or yeah, I'm not sure if it's too dark for y'all to see, but it's a 10-pounder. What was that, 4 I just did? Or I don't know. Whew. Oh, I was like, it's gonna start. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. I'm getting a little sweaty. Let's see, 0 to 1. I lost count how many sets. 4. I lost count. Damn. I want to say that was 5. I don't know. I want to say it's 5. Work hard 4 just to be safe. Alright. Alright, we're gonna call that 5. That's probably 6, but we're gonna call it 5. I'd rather do over than under. Alright. I think it's 5. I think I'm good. I think that was 5. If it's not, if it was 4, I'll make it up later, but I'm sure it was 5. I gotta go work in 7 minutes. Whew, yeah. After being at work in 6 minutes, it's 8:24. I got to clock in at 8:30. I work from home today, so it's good. Don't forget to work, guys. So, 2 sets left. Probably going to, next time I do this, probably bump it up to 6 reps. And we'll see how I feel at 6. I'm not too sore from this one. Last set, 3 minutes. Whew. See, got my sweat. I'm sweating right now. That's it, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. It's 8:27 still. I'm done. This hopefully the next couple months be in great health, great shape. So right now I feel good. I feel tired, but I don't feel way too tired. So I should be good from recovering from this. So if I do, bump it up. If you did pretty good, just easy, bump it up to 6. Too hard, bump it down maybe to 4, or maybe try to choose a lighter weight. So thanks for watching.